Welcome to Leitz Park, aka Leica Headquarters here in Wetzlar, Germany. Steeped in rich camera history dating back over 100 years, a company known for its attention to detail and timeless, iconic design. We've got so much to explore here, from the Leica archives to the museum, the factory, and the Leica store, the Leica themed hotel, and yes, the coffee shop, because I'm still very much running on New York time. Matt from B&H here, and come and join us as we explore this photographer's playground. We are not in New York City anymore. Oh, it's not quick enough. I need this in my apartment.
Oh, I don't know.
This is like Harry Potter, the moving staircases. Somebody's gonna throw up or fly off. The Leica Gallery at Leitz Park has all of the most famous Leica cameras dating back to 1914 here on display. They've got the Leica S2, the Leica M8, the Leica S1, which was their first digital camera, the Leica R8, one of the fan favorites, the Leica M6 from 1984, the Leica Flex SL, the Leica M3, and it all comes back to the Your Leica that Oscar Barnack invented in 1914. This portion of the Leica gallery is really cool because you can see on full display how many famous photos from around the world were taken on a Leica. In particular, this is 100 years capped in 36 photos in this one exhibit in the Leica gallery. This is one serious ring light. It's in German. I think if I listen to this back enough, I'll learn the whole language. All right, this exhibit's awesome. We're probably gonna have way too much fun here. This basically shows the autofocus in comparison to the motion blur that you can get for how fast you're moving. Basically, it's just a motion blur exhibit. So let's give it a spin here. Check this out. The museum even has a virtual darkroom, so you can come over here and pick your negative. We take it over to the developing bath. So literally just drag it across. Keep it in the developing bath for a little bit. And then we'll take it over to the stop bath. We even got some nice sound effects. Then we'll continue to the fixing process. We got the water base to finish it off. And we've got a pretty solid photo here. It's a massive lens iris, and as you walk closer to it, it opens. And you see the great outdoors right out there. Beautiful Germany. How cool is that? We need one of these in the B&H Superstore. Oh, it's not quick enough. That's it, I'm done. Here's some Leica history for you. The company was originally founded by Ernst Leitz, hence that name everywhere around here, and they began by manufacturing mass amounts of microscopes, hundreds of thousands at that. And then around 1911, Oscar Barnack joined the company. And it's said that Oscar Barnack wasn't in the best of health at the time, and being that he had to take a camera around the hills of Wetzlar, he wanted to make sure that he had a small, compact body to do it with. And that's what forced the innovation that Leica is famous for. And Oscar Barnack famously took that cinematography 35mm film and turned it around, and we still use this ratio today in full-frame cameras. All right, quick challenge for you in the comments below. Let me know how they came up with the name Leica. Here's a quick little hint. Ernst Leitz Camera Company. Ernst Leitz Camera Company. Hopefully that helps. That's really cool. All right, now it's time for some coffee. Let's head into Cafe Leitz. Did you know that Leitz Park actually is at the very location where the original Leitz factories were? So in 2014, they built this campus here at the original location, one of the many reasons that this place is so special. All right, even the Leica camera store is incredibly nice. Everything's kind of black, modern, and really, really sleek. Even this place has that attention to detail, and there's so many things you could find that are really rare here for sale, like Oscar Barnack's original drawings of the Leica. I might buy one. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. Look at this massive lens they have in the customer care camera store section. It's a 1600 mil, and you could also put a 2x converter on it, so you could probably just, I don't even know, see Mars or something, a person on Mars. And there's only one of 3 in the world, and it's right here. It's pretty awesome. Well, we had a ton of fun exploring Leitz Park here in Germany. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite Leica camera is, and hey, maybe come check them out at the B&H store. We have them on display, or come to the Origin place here in Wetzlar. Matt with the B&H, and I'll see you next time.